Hey everyone, welcome back to Must Have Finds, where we explore the coolest tech to level up your content creation. Today we're diving into the world of smartphone gimbals. Whether you're into TikTok, YouTube, vlogging, or capturing cinematic shots, I've got the perfect list for you. We'll be reviewing and comparing 5 amazing gimbals to help you find the one that suits your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1, DJI Osmo Mobile 6. First up, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. This 3-axis phone gimbal comes in a sleek platinum gray finish, and it's one of the most portable and foldable options on the market. It features built-in object tracking and a telescopic extension rod, perfect for dynamic shots or group selfies. The stabilization is top-notch, as you'd expect from DJI, and it works seamlessly with both iPhone and Android devices. For vloggers and TikTok creators, this is a game changer. Pros: compact and foldable design, powerful 3-axis stabilization, great object tracking. If you're serious about quality, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 won't disappoint. Number 2, Hohem iSteady M6 Kit. Next, we've got the Hohem iSteady M6 Kit, and this one's a powerhouse. It's a 3-axis gimbal with a built-in eye tracking sensor and a magnetic fill light that offers multiple brightness settings. The AI tracking sensor is super responsive, making it ideal for solo creators. It's compatible with both iPhones and Android devices, and the stabilization is incredibly smooth, even during fast-paced movements. Pros: AI-powered tracking, magnetic fill light for enhanced visuals, great for low-light content. This is perfect for creators looking for added versatility and lighting options in one device. Number 3, Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. Now let's talk about the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. This is another 3-axis gimbal, but it comes with an exciting feature: ultra-wide-angle mode and a 600-degree inception rotation for those epic cinematic shots. The design is lightweight and user-friendly, and it supports all the latest smartphones, including the iPhone 15 series. For creators who want to experiment with creative angles and transitions, this is a solid choice. Pros: ultra-wide-angle compatibility, 600-degree inception mode, affordable price. If you're all about cinematic content, this gimbal has you covered. Number 4, AOCHUAN Smart XE Kit. Next on the list is the AOCHUAN Smart XE Kit. This foldable 3-axis gimbal is super portable, making it ideal for creators on the go. It's great for TikTok, YouTube, and vlogging. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and the compact design makes it perfect for quick setups. However, it lacks some advanced features like AI tracking or additional lighting. Pros: lightweight and foldable, easy to use, excellent stabilization. Still, for everyday creators, it's a reliable and affordable option. Number 5, JCRobot iSleeky L7C Plus. Finally, we have the JCRobot iSleeky L7C Plus. This 3-axis gimbal comes with an adjustable fill light that makes it perfect for nighttime or low-light vlogging. Its stabilization is solid, and it's compatible with both Android and iPhone. It's also super beginner-friendly, making it great for creators who want to step up their game without breaking the bank. Pros: adjustable fill light, easy to set up, affordable price. If you're on a budget and want a reliable gimbal, this is an excellent choice. So there you have it, 5 amazing smartphone gimbals to enhance your content creation. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for everyone. My personal favorite? The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 for its portability and performance. But if you're looking for unique features, the Hohem iSteady M6 Kit with its magnetic fill light is a close second. Let me know in the comments which gimbal caught your eye, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, happy shooting.